Okay, so let's get started with an actual case study of a live printable bundle that I'm currently selling and profiting with. Okay, so here is the Blue Elephant Baby Shower game bundle. Okay, there's 12 games. It's relatively small game set. Okay, with crispy prints, you'll be able to create much more. It comes with banners and bonuses. And this is just one game in a large stable of games that I have on my site. Now you can sell these types of games or bundles or banners. There's all types of printable product types out there. You can sell them off of your own site or on Etsy or on different other sites. We're going to go through the different types of ways to sell printables. There are pros and cons to selling them on Etsy, and there are pros and cons to selling them off your own site. Okay, but all of them are relatively cheap and easy to do. Okay, so back to the case study. The Blue Elephant Baby Shower game set. It's netted me over $500, 56 sales, as you can see. That's the exact game I'm showing you, Blue Elephant Baby Shower game set, printable game set. And this is one of the traffic sources, Pinterest. Let me show you, let me blow this up for you. As you can see, that's the game, and there's a sample text, a transparent sample text across the game. This is to prevent people on Pinterest to just download my game and not pay me. That wouldn't be cool, right? That defeats the purpose. Within Crispy Prints, you'll be able to easily add sample text to your game set so that you can use the images from those game sets and get traffic. Let me go back here. Traffic to your link to your listing page. Now this one has only garnered me 36 outbound links. Okay, so only 36 links, but there are many of these images on Pinterest of mine that actually send me more traffic. But this is just one, okay? And it's garnered me over 9,000 impressions. So the outbound clicks, it's not the best, okay? I'm not getting the most out of it, but if you think about all the other pins that are associated with Blue Elephants that I've released on Pinterest, then it can generate a nice amount of targeted traffic to my Blue Elephant sales page here. Okay, so that is the case study in a nutshell. If I go to my main site, you'll see that I have many more games. Okay, and I charge around $11. Okay. And yeah, this is a great way to earn online. Each one of these game sets has earned, and each one of these game sets continues to earn. But the most important thing, I'm not creating game sets based on what I think is a good idea. I never start that way. I always start off on what's already selling. Okay, and I do this with niche research. Okay, I use the tools that are in Crispy Prints. And I also like to look on Etsy and see what's already selling. Really important. So this is a case study in a nutshell. Again, this is just to motivate you. I'm not showing off or anything. This is not some spectacular product. This is a passive earner that I created, a year ago, 3 years ago? I forget. So I hope you get motivated. If you have any questions, let me know.